Robotville is a celebration of robotics. We have over 20 cutting-edge robots on display, and visitors can come in, they can talk to the roboticists, the inventors of these robots, see them working, and basically grill the roboticists as much as they want, ask them any questions that they've got. The robots are from all over Europe. We've got robots coming from Poland, from Estonia, from Lithuania, France, Italy, and robots from around the UK as well. So some of them are from universities and research institutions, and then we've also got robots coming in from industry as well. But we've got lots and lots of robots in which are looking at ways that humans can interact with robots and we can live side by side with them. So we've got some of them that can recognise your face and recognise your emotions. We've got a Polish team in, a team called Flash, and their robot is looking to recreate human emotions within a robot. So what they've got is a very sort of mobile face that makes lots of sort of smiles and frowns, and that corresponds to essentially how the robot's feeling, whether it's sort of programmed well, etc.
If you want robots to be our companions, they have to communicate with us in the way we do naturally, by words, by gestures and by mimics. Flash is a social robot, so its major aim is to contact with humans and interact with them. Further perspective, this robot will be designed to help people in their everyday life.
Robotics as an engineering endeavor allows the designer to really experiment with the shape. A shape is part of most of the time is part of the function you want to obtain with the robot. In our case, we've chosen humanoid shape. The robot you see here at the exhibit, for me, it was the robot I sort of dreamed of a few years ago. In the future, I'd like to see a robot similar to this one in being humanoid, but with technical possibility of being like autonomous, for instance, or have a complete skin for interaction with people, something we just started researching on, but it's not finished. Having a possibility of grading the force during the interaction with people, so being a lot more compliant to the outside world. This will make a robot that is a lot more effective in everyday life, so it can really become part of the normal life of many people, and also we have to make it useful.
The robot's name is DORA the Explorer. It's a mobile robot developed as part of the COGEX project. The idea of DORA is to build a robot that can extend its own knowledge. So typically you program robots to have the knowledge that you want in their heads. But that's actually very limiting. If you want to take a robot to a new environment, say bring it to the Science Museum, or you want to give it a new task, you generally have to reprogram them to make them work properly. We're interested in building robots that can extend their own knowledge, that can model their own basically sources of failure and deal with that. The main challenge in robotics right now is mobile manipulation, which is to take a system like DORA that can move around in space, but get it to actually pick objects up and find them and bring them back. Doing the manipulation on a mobile robot in kind of unconstrained environments is really hard. I think we're quite close to the start of a mainstream adoption of robots. I think we already see them cleaning houses and mowing lawns. I think we'll see these kind of limited deployments in kind of institutions, universities, hospitals, prisons, where you've got lots of kind of repetitive tasks and structured environments where robots don't face too many problems. I think we'll see them in those kind of environments first, and I don't think that's too far away.